Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dogecast token. Now there's two Dogecast tokens that are actually very popular. There's one on the Solana blockchain that's extremely popular, and then there's also a different one that's kind of got half the market cap, maybe even less, on the Ethereum network, but still a huge project with millions of dollars of trading volume, millions of dollars of market cap on both these tokens. One's ETH, one's Sol. We're going to go over both Dogecast tokens and how you can get them in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you could find both tokens, the Solana one and the Ethereum one, on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Obviously, you could find the Solana one on SolScan, and you could find the Ethereum one on EtherScan. You could also find, maybe you could find them on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Now, the Ethereum token has a market cap of $7.8 million. I'm actually going to put both of them up in the corner of the screen here so you can see both of the Ethereum token and the Solana tokens DEX Screener charts here. Now so it's about half of the other one. So the Ethereum one has a market cap of $7.8 million, and the Solana one has a market cap of $15.1 million. So the Solana one is basically double the other one. Let's start with the Solana token then, since that's the biggest one. So the Solana token has a 24-hour trading volume just today of $3.4 million. $793,000 worth of liquidity in radium. And according to DEX Screener, 99.66% of the total liquidity in radium is locked and burned. Token price is about 1.5 cents per token. And this token came out on radium 1 day, 9 hours ago. That's when the pair was created. So the other token came out almost around the exact same time as well. 1 day, 9 hours ago, the Ethereum token came out as well. That one today has a 24-hour trading volume of $5.8 million, $359,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and 96.52% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And token price for that token, the Ethereum one, is 0.007 USD per token. The Ethereum one is trending number 10 in the Ethereum section on DEX Screener. And the Solana one isn't trending right now, but it was trending yesterday. So the Solana webpage for the Dogecast token is dogecastcoin.com. And if we go over there, it says live weekly with Elon and Vivek. So I guess there is a podcast now. It says Dogecast is a token inspired by Elon Musk and Vivek weekly podcast committed to the government transparency. So if you have been living under a rock and you haven't heard, Elon Musk, and I guess Vivek's probably part of it, there's a new thing called the Department of Government Efficiency, and that is, the acronym for Doge. And Elon is in charge of Doge, this department here. Donald Trump put him in charge of making, some changes, probably firing a lot of people, right, who are useless or who are not doing the right things in government, and he's making government more efficient, right? So Dogecast stands as a symbol of innovation and change in both the crypto space and public administration. So basically both of these tokens, the Ethereum one and the Solana one, are based off of this podcast here. They do show you step-by-step how to buy on their webpage, dogecastcoin.com. Now basically you need a Solana wallet, so you'd fund your Phantom wallet or Soulflare wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Radium, and then trade your Sol for the Dogecast token using the contract address you could find on dogecastcoin.com. You probably won't have to set slippage. I don't see anything about taxes. But yeah, I'm definitely going to check it. I mean, if this is a real podcast, I'm definitely going to check this out. I didn't see the actual official announcement on X, but I'm sure it's either on Vivek or Elon's or both of their X accounts. But yeah, so the Ethereum token, it looks like they don't even have a legitimate web page, because on Deck Screener it does say web page, but then you try to click on it and it takes you to a Telegram. So let me pull up the Twitter here. So their Twitter is Dogecast ETH, and then it says Dogecast.meme is their web page. So they do have a web page here. Dogecast.meme it says, and if I open that up, it looks like it's taken me let me see if it actually even works, this web page here. Dogecast.meme. Let me pull it up in a different browser maybe, see if it works. Dogecast. It's got to verify if you're a human first, of course. And yeah, so I might put up both Deck Screener charts right here so you guys can distinguish between the two, but there's also two different Twitters for each one. And so I don't know if this webpage even works. Dogecast.meme. It says verification successful, but then it's not opening at the actual webpage. It says waiting for Dogecast.meme to respond. So, I mean, maybe the Solana webpage is the only one that works, but you could follow both of the Telegrams. I mean, let me know in the comments which one of these tokens you think is better, which one you're looking at. Maybe it just depends on which type of investor you are, if you like Solana, if you like Ethereum, or, you know, maybe you think one's a scam or something, and maybe you think the other one's not. There is a community takeover claim for the Ethereum one, so it looks like the dev is out of the picture, and then there's a community takeover claim for the Solana one as well. So yeah, both of them are supposedly run by the community, but I mean, who really knows? So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.